Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install ChatGPT on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To install ChatGPT on Windows 11 computer, go to your Google Chrome browser and browse chatgpt.com. Now hit enter and log into your ChatGPT. I'm logging with Google. On upper right corner, click on three dot icon to show more. And here you will find cast, save and share. And go to cast, save and share. And here you will find install page as app. Click on install page as app. A pop-up window will be opened. Install this page as an app. Now click on install. The ChatGPT is installed, and if you want this app in taskbar, click on yes here. Now close ChatGPT and close Google Chrome browser and look here ChatGPT shortcut. You will find it in your desktop, and also you will find ChatGPT icon on your taskbar. You can open from anywhere. I'm opening from desktop shortcut icon. This is the easiest way to install ChatGPT app on Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.